Let's dive into the fascinating world of pepperoni production, where the stakes are high and the flavors are rich. It's a journey where precision and tradition collide to create something truly extraordinary. Ever wondered how your favorite pepperoni is made? The journey begins with selecting the perfect cuts of meat, primarily pork and beef. This initial choice is critical because the quality of the meat directly influences the pepperoni's flavor and texture. The selection process involves sourcing high-quality meat from trusted suppliers. Pork is chosen for its rich flavor and ideal fat content, which is essential for creating a smooth, moist texture in the finished product. Beef adds a deeper flavor and firmer texture. The stakes couldn't be higher. A single misstep here could jeopardize the batch, wasting hours of labor and valuable resources. The careful selection of meat sets the tone for the entire process, ensuring the final product meets high standards of taste and quality. Before grinding, the selected meats are carefully trimmed and cut into uniform pieces. This meticulous preparation is vital for ensuring even grinding, which is crucial for achieving the consistent texture and flavor that defines high-quality pepperoni. Smaller uniform cuts not only facilitate easier grinding but also reduce strain on the machinery, preventing potential equipment damage. Additionally, this preparation helps to maintain the meat at a lower, more consistent temperature, which is essential for both quality and safety. Keeping the grinding environment sufficiently cold is paramount. The fat within the meat must remain solid during grinding to preserve the essential texture of the pepperoni. If the fat melts, it can compromise the texture, leading to a less desirable product. Therefore, maintaining a cold environment requires precise control and balance, ensuring the meat stays at the optimal temperature while also enhancing production efficiency. This delicate process involves a combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology, ensuring that each batch of pepperoni meets stringent quality standards. The precision required at this stage cannot be overstated. Each step, from trimming to grinding, must be executed with care to ensure the final product is of the highest quality. The stakes are high, as any deviation can affect the pepperoni's texture and flavor, ultimately impacting consumer satisfaction. This careful preparation sets the foundation for the subsequent stages of production, ensuring that the pepperoni maintains its distinctive characteristics and meets the expectations of consumers. The introduction of seasoning to the meat marks the beginning of flavor development in pepperoni production. It is essential that the spice blend is precisely calibrated. Any imbalance can result in a product that is either bland or overpowers the meat's natural flavors. Achieving this balance is crucial, ensuring the spices enhance rather than overshadow the inherent qualities of the meat. Typical seasonings for pepperoni include paprika, which imparts the characteristic red color, garlic for depth of flavor, and crushed red pepper for a hint of heat. These spices are meticulously measured and mixed to create a harmonious blend that brings out the best in the meat. The seasoning process is vital as it defines the distinct taste profile expected in each batch, appealing to a wide range of consumers. This stage requires both skill and precision, as the right combination of spices can elevate the meat to new heights of flavor. It is a delicate process where every ingredient plays a crucial role in achieving the desired outcome. The goal is to create a well-rounded flavor that complements the meat, providing a satisfying and memorable eating experience. By carefully balancing the spices, producers ensure that each batch of pepperoni delivers a consistent and enjoyable flavor. This attention to detail is what sets high-quality pepperoni apart, making it a favorite among consumers. The seasoning process is a testament to the art and science of pepperoni production, where tradition and precision come together to create a product that is both delicious and distinctive. The mixing phase is where all the flavor and texture come together. Different factories have their own methods. Some add the spices before mixing, while others mix them in during the process. Each method influences the pepperoni's final flavor and consistency, tailoring the process to achieve specific taste profiles. Industrial mixers blend the ground meat with the right amount of spices and curing agents. It's a delicate balance. Mix too much and the meat gets tough. Mix too little and you might end up with uneven flavors or spots that don't cure properly. The goal is to mix everything thoroughly but gently to keep the meat's texture just right. The transition to stuffing the seasoned meat into casings is a pivotal moment in pepperoni making. This is where the pepperoni starts to take shape. At this stage, the choice of casings becomes crucial. Producers decide between natural or synthetic casings, each impacting the final product's texture, flavor, and appearance. Natural casings made from animal intestines are favored for their ability to enhance flavor complexity. Synthetic casings made from materials like collagen or cellulose offer consistency and durability. Using modern machinery, producers fill each casing to precise lengths and diameters, ensuring uniformity across the batch. This part of the process is laden with stakes, as any error in stuffing can lead to significant product waste and increased production costs. The next step is the fermentation phase, where lactic acid bacteria present in the meat culture sugars, lowering the pH. This not only helps preserve the meat, but also develops its characteristic tangy flavor. The duration of fermentation can vary, typically lasting anywhere from 24 hours to several days. This variation depends on factors such as the specific recipe and the temperature at which fermentation is conducted. This phase is essential for ensuring the pepperoni's safety and enhancing its unique taste. Properly controlled fermentation ensures the final product delivers on both richness and subtlety, capturing the essence of traditional pepperoni. Following fermentation, pepperoni enters the drying and curing phase, a crucial period where it is hung in controlled environments to slowly lose moisture. This process can take several weeks to months, depending on the desired texture and flavor depth. The stakes are high during drying, as maintaining precise humidity and temperature is critical to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, while allowing the pepperoni to develop its rich, complex flavors. Any deviations in these conditions can lead to spoilage or inferior quality, jeopardizing entire batches. Properly executed, this phase ensures the pepperoni achieves a perfect balance of safety, flavor, and preservation. Throughout the entire production process, rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure that the pepperoni meets the highest standards. Samples from each batch are tested for taste, texture, and safety. Inspectors check for any signs of spoilage or contamination, ensuring that only the best products make it to the market. This constant monitoring and testing are crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of the pepperoni. Ensuring that every product meets strict quality standards is vital for consumer satisfaction and trust. The stakes couldn't be higher. Any lapses in quality control could lead to significant financial losses and damage to the brand's reputation. Once the pepperoni passes all quality checks, it is ready for packaging. The final product is available either as whole sticks or pre-sliced for convenience. Packaging plays a crucial role in not only protecting the pepperoni during transport, but also in preserving its flavor and extending its shelf life. Vacuum-sealed packaging is commonly used to prevent exposure to air, which can cause spoilage. This method locks in the pepperoni's freshness and ensures it remains flavorful until it reaches the consumer. Additionally, vacuum sealing helps maintain the product's texture and moisture content, essential for an optimal eating experience. Labels on the packaging provide important information, such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. This transparency helps consumers make informed choices and ensures they are aware of what they are consuming. Proper labeling is also essential for tracking and recalls if necessary, maintaining trust and safety standards. Proper packaging is critical to ensure the pepperoni reaches consumers in perfect condition. From the factory to the store shelf, each step is meticulously managed to uphold the high quality of the product. This attention to detail ensures that when you purchase pepperoni, you receive a product that is as fresh and delicious as it was when it left the production facility. The packaging process is the final touch in a journey that starts with selecting quality meat and ends with a flavorful product on your table. By maintaining stringent packaging standards, producers ensure that the pepperoni not only tastes great, but also stays safe and fresh for consumers to enjoy. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from prime cuts of meat to the delicious pepperoni we all love. This process artfully combines age-old traditions with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting Field 2 Fork stories, watch our next video.